Good morning, everyone. It's me, Arnav Sah, standing in front of you to deliver a short presentation on the topic of power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is a mindset that focuses on the bright side of our life and expects positive outcomes. It is a tool that can transform our life. Practicing positive thinking can boost up our mental health and physical well-being. Research says that positive thinking can enhance our physical strength and self-confidence. Positive thinking, the power of positive thinking lies in its ability to shape how we perceive the world, but also how we create a better future. Positive thinking doesn't mean to uh, be cheerful. It is all about seeing to the solution rather than seeing difficulties. Adopting positive thinking means focusing into the solution and making it more effectively. Adopting positive thinking means to create a better future and make our life a meaningful life. Thank you.